Hello traders and welcome to another video. My name is Andy Demi and I am going to be speaking about the Australian dollar trade setup that we've basically spoke about last time on a previous video. And I want to show you exactly what's happened since and why we've just entered a potential buy zone, but it may be about to be invalid. So I want to show you exactly how it works and what I'm looking at for this trade setup. Now, if you are new to us, guys, please hit the subscribe button on YouTube and do check us out at the Crypto and FX Traders Club, and do like this video if you're enjoying the content that we're posting out. So with that being said, let's do it. I'm going to do a quick screen share. I want to show you basically what happened last time. And if you do want to check out the original video, I'm going to post a link right here on this video, so do check that out and you can go back and watch what I was talking about, and then this will make a lot more sense. So last time we were on, basically what I was talking about here on the Australian dollar is we were about here, and I was saying that I was expecting the market to go higher but not take out this low. And then I was expecting the market to go lower and come back to this potential channel support here. And then I would be looking to buy it. Well, I've just had an alert. I've just had an alert that the market has just hit this channel line. So I want to show you slowly exactly what the Australian dollar has done, if I can do this with the replay function. So this was the predicted move higher. It got to the upper band here, and then let's play this out. And so as it starts to hold, nice push up as we spoke about. Now here's the thing here. What I'm looking for is I would be looking for support right on this Bollinger Band standard deviation extension, and as the market comes down, this is a 4-hour time frame, guys. I just had an alert that we just hit that line. But here's the thing, right now the market has gone through this channel support, so we haven't held. So here's the thing that you need to do. You could, for example, in this stage, you could say, well, look, this is probably going to be invalid, so I'm not going to take the trade. And, you know, you can see right now, let me have a quick little look. So this is going to close, well, this is going to close in about 15 minutes. So there's a very strong chance that this is going to be invalid. Okay, so this is going to close, this bar is going to close at 2 p.m. Now, there are situations sometimes where you do get these kind of fake breakouts. And the reason why those fake breakouts happen is because there's manipulation in the market. So there's well, I don't want to use the word manipulation because it sounds like it's something criminal. What I'm talking about is it's a game, and you know, a lot of institutions participate in the FX game, and sometimes, you know, what institutions like to do, and I know from my own experience having worked for big institutions and traded for them, is that, you know, they like to basically provide sell signals to the retail trader. So in this particular example, a channel break could be a sell signal, and then they would ultimately reverse the trade, and so that you end up getting this kind of fake break. So the market closes below, everybody jumps in, so all the small guys are selling here, and then and guess who they're selling to? They're selling to the institutions, and institutions end up buying this cheap, and then the market goes back into the channel. But by this point, the retail guys are out, the small traders are out, they've lost their money, and now they're scared to even go back in. So this happens quite a lot, guys. So here's what I try and do. So if I can find a good enough reason why I might want to buy here, I will take the chance to buy and place a sensible stop. So for example, you know, we might want to sort of use something like this, like a horizontal level. You can see, for example, on this green line, this is a really nice support area. So, and you can see it's right at the extreme of these Bollinger Bands, 3 standard deviations here. So you could potentially do this. You could consider a short-term buy just in case the market does end up being a fake breakout. Now, that's a little bit more advanced and it's a little bit more risky to do that because you're basically buying and hoping that it's going to be a fake break. The other thing you could do is to wait. And instead of buying, what you would do, and this is the more risk-averse way, and this is what for most of you, this is what you could do. It's a much safer way of doing it. You could basically put an alert, so you could right-click, add an alert on this trend line, and so if the market then does return to this trend line, so maybe it creates some kind of bullish candle formation, like a morning star, we get like an indecision bar, and then a nice bullish bar here, and then the market breaks back above, and you get alerted, well, you could then be looking to buy it here, where you've had some confirmation. You can place your stop right below that fake breakout. And you can see you've got a really nice area of support here. So for most of you guys, if you want to trade something like this, that is probably the way to do it. But I wanted to follow up with you guys on that past video. Do make sure you check out the last video if you didn't, or just to remind yourself of what we were speaking about, because this is how you learn. And right now, this is basically what has happened. So keep an eye on this setup. Let's see what happens from now, and we'll, and we'll follow up again at some point to see if it does actually do something interesting. I'll do another video for you guys just to show you what actually did end up happening. So that's all from me today, guys. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new to us, and do go check us out in the Crypto and FX Traders Club, where we post daily content, and it's a great place to network with other like-minded people. Take care for now. Catch you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.